Hi again, Dean Rinker here with Keller Realty. And in today's home seller quick tip, we're going to talk about the 4 most important rooms in the house and where you really need to emphasize or place great emphasis on getting these rooms ready for showings to buyers, whether it be in person, online or virtual or video tours, that kind of thing. So these aren't set in stone, but in general, the most important rooms in the house are 1, the kitchen, 2, the master bath and other bathrooms, 3 is the family room, and 4 is the master bedroom. Not necessarily in that order because different people want different things, but those rooms tend to be the most asked about with buyers. I want this kind of kitchen. I want this kind of master bedroom. The family room, I'd like to set it up like this. Of course, the bathroom, especially a master bathroom, I want it this way, or I'm looking for these kinds of things. So those are the rooms people typically want to focus on and place the most emphasis when they want to buy a house. So let's talk about the kitchen first. What are you going to do? Well, in all rooms, including the kitchen, you want to make sure you've dusted, cleaned, wiped down the cabinets, make sure it just sparkles. A key in the kitchen also is to have just a few items on the counters. I see sometimes I go into homes and there's just a lot of stuff on the counters that people use every day. I must confess our counters are kind of crowded as well. But you want to minimize what you put on the counters. You want to make sure the appliances are wiped down and clean. Make sure the window in the kitchen is clean. Make sure the light fixtures above don't have bugs in them, that kind of thing. You know, take those out, wipe them down. And on the counter, what I like to see in a kitchen is a nice bowl of potpourri, something that smells nice when they walk into the kitchen. And of course, lights on, window coverings open, and again, with lights and window coverings and good smells, you want that throughout the house, but really place emphasis on the kitchen and make it look great. Secondly, let's talk about the bathrooms. The bathroom should sparkle as well. Again, wipe down the counters, wipe down the cabinets, make sure the mirror is clean. If you've got a glass shower enclosure, especially in the master bathroom, do what you can to get the water stains out of that. You want that to sparkle. Again, windows. On the counters, just a few things. And when the property is staged, maybe buyers are coming over, there's a video or virtual walkthrough, put everything under the sink maybe temporarily and make it look good. So the bathrooms are absolutely critical, and again, that master is even more critical. Then we talk about the master bedroom. Well, that's the retreat at the end of the night. That's where people are going to go and sleep and refresh, and they want a nice master bedroom, maybe with a sitting area, who knows. But you want to make sure that master bedroom, again, looks great. And lastly, not necessarily most importantly, but another one of the 4 most important rooms is the family room, or the general living area. You want to make sure that's spacious. You want to make sure if you've got to move some furniture out of the way to make the flow work a little better, the traffic flow work a little better, or make it look not so crowded. Of course, talk to your agent on that. When I consult my clients, we walk through every room in the house and we talk about how best to prepare that room, how best to stage it, and make it appealing to buyers. So make sure that family room looks good. Again, windows need to be clean, dusted, clean, minimal items, just a few items on the floor, if any. And eliminate any unnecessary furniture that could make that space look smaller. So those are the 4 rooms: kitchen, bathroom, specifically the master bath, the master bedroom, and the family room. Hope that video helps. As always, call me with any questions. I'm happy to help. Have a good day.